Okay, ito is best fit po ng large to size 2XL. O, yun lang. Yan, super fitted yan. Yung tela pa naman nila, tsaka yung cut na yan, super fitted. Okay, code ako dito sis ng code po. Sa may gusto, pa-code ako. Malalim sis yung ano niya, oh. Will fit po up to 2X. Ito sis, ang code na lang is code 2X. Okay, code is 2X. Sis, pabalik ako nito. Okay, ito sis, pa-code ako 2X for 380 pesos lang. Okay, code is 2X 380. Code 2X po plus color 380. Okay, sis Joanna, sige po. Send mo lang sis sa PM ha, tapos i-screenshot po yan, then ino-note po. Okay, code 2X. Bright red sa suot ko. Okay, code is 2X red color lang. Sa suot ko sis code bright red po ha. Okay, code is 2X blue. Tapos love may check mo kung wala na nagla-live dun kailan.
Okay.
Okay, code is 2X gray color. Okay, code is 2X gray color. Okay, code 2X black. Ang dami pong kulay. Code 2X black is 380 pesos lang sis ha. Okay, code po 2X gray color. Sis, may mas manipis na sando type kanina. Send ko po PM. Sige po. Okay, code is 2X. Dark gray color. Code ako ng code 2X white. Okay. Okay, code po 2X cream color. Code is 2X dark brown, code 2X old rose, code 2X skin tone, 380. 380 pesos po for 2X. Okay, we have 2X white color po, code 2X white. Okay, code 2X apple green, code 2X neon green. Okay, code is 2X orange color. Code 2X blue-gray. Okay, code is 2X pandan green. Code 2X hot pink. Okay, code 2X mustard. Code 2X yellow color sis and 2X rust color. Yan sis yung mga available po for size 2XL. Okay, code is 2X, code 2X. Code is 2X. Code 2X.
Kasi baka maanahan ka na.
Oo, sis, eto, pahabol na lang yung mga ano ha. Sis Pamela, ito yun. Ito ba yun, sis? Yung sando style na mas manipis. Okay, mine 2X cream, white, black, and old roses. So, 380 pesos lang to, sis. Okay, 380. Ganda, very comfy. Ganda rin to sa jeans. Maganda rin to sis sa jeans. Okay, 2X cream, white. Cream, white color. Cream, white, black and old rose. Okay, sis. Black and old rose po yours na for sis Rosana. Yours is for cream, white color. 2X cream, white. Okay, 2X black and old rose.
Ilan yan?
Ang code is 2X ha. Baka madalawa mo. Okay, 2X. Ay, off-white ata to. Dito malamig. Okay, first is conscious.
White.
Okay, 2X. White, black, and old rose. And old rose. Okay, 2X po, bright red and black versus April. Okay, yours is for 2X. Ang ganda po ng tela. Super. Ganda ng tela niya. Bright red sis and black po yours na. For bright red and black color. Bright red and black versus April. Okay naman for bright red. Okay, 2X red, skin tone, and mustard. 2X red, skin tone, and mustard. Okay, sis. Okay, first is Pamela, this is yours na for 2X red, skin tone, and mustard color. Okay, yours is si red skin tone, mustard color.
Ano lang? Yung suot mo, red?
Hindi, ito. Red, skin
Red,
tone.
skin tone.
Red. Ito, bright red yung suot ko, bright red. Red, skin tone, and mustard color for 2X. Okay, 2X pandan green, hot pink, and yellow. 2X pandan green, hot pink, pandan green, hot pink, and yellow color. Okay, yellow is yours na. Okay, sino pa po? Okay, mine suot red, black, and green. Okay, for 2X, red, black, and green. Okay, red daw yung suot ko ha, red, black color. Sis, anong green mo? For sis Jessa, anong green mo sis? Neon green or apple green? Anong green mo sis? Or pandan green? Tatlo sis ang shade ng green color.
Red. Mga red.
Red, black,
Black. Okay.
and pandan green. 2X red, bright red po yung suot ko ha, bright red.
Anong
Sis
green?
Jessa, yung green mo antayin namin kung anong green ha. Okay, pa-add po ako ng S2 maroon for sis Enday. S2 maroon.
Pati yung red ni Ma'am Jessa, ma'am. O green.
Ha?
Red ba sila?
Saan?
Yung red nila, bright red po ba? Or yung...
Yung suot ko daw kay sis Jessa yung red. Can you see the maroon color?
น้ำส้มสีแดงเข้มไอ้ก้ามตัวเหลี่ยมนั่นแหละ
Maroon? Sinabi mo na. Okay, 2X blue. Okay, kay sis Enday.
Opo, meron ako.
Yung S2?
Opo.
Saan?
Ito.
S2
Ah,
maroon.
kanina pa.
Na doble? Na doble o kakamay niya lang?
Hindi, kanina pa siya.
Okay. Okay, first is Mariel, 2X blue, dark brown and black. Okay, blue is yours.
Saan tayo? Teka.
Yun na, first is Mariel. Okay, 2X blue, dark brown sis and black.
Blue.
Black. And dark brown. And dark brown colors is. Okay. Sis, 380 pesos po. Okay, scoop black, brown, white, maroon, dark gray.
Iba yan,
hot
ah.
pink, fuchsia, navy blue. For sis Rizel. Sige po, sis Rizel.
Asan yung
Kunin ko
scoop?
Kunin natin si scoop.